Hello friends. So today we are going to see how to apply for CGHS in 3 simple steps. First of all, we have to go online on the website cghs.nic.in. Okay. Please do not use Google to search for CGHS, otherwise it will take you to the wrong website. It will take you to cghs.gov.in, whereas we need to go to cghs.nic.in. Okay. And then we have to take the printout of the filled application. Now, when we are going to this website, we have to click on apply for plastic cards. Once we click there, then ask for the verification of mobile number. Here, the mobile number of the serving person, that means the person on whose name, under whom, who is the first member of the family. Okay, the person who is a government servant, right? That person's mobile number should be entered, followed by the captcha, and then press the generate OTP. When you click on generate OTP, you will receive an OTP. So you have to enter that OTP over here. Then this screen will come. Now, since we are not having CGHS beneficiary till now, okay, so we are going to click on apply here in front of new employees or pensioners who are not CGHS beneficiary. After that, the page which will open, it will be having the instructions. Please read the instructions carefully so that you can understand what is the definition of family, who are included, and especially the females have a choice to include either the dependent parents or dependent parents in law. Then whatever the disabilities, that is also defined here. Who are the dependents, member of the family whose income is less than 1500 per month are treated as dependents and are normally residing with the beneficiary. Please note down, these documents are to be enclosed. That is proof of residence or stay of dependents, proof of age of son, attested copy of disability certificate if any, then last attested copy of PPO and last pay certificate. We have to submit our salary slip of June month. Now we come over to the main form. So we have to type our name in English, and again we have to type the name in English in this portion. When you type here, automatically the name will be converted to Hindi. Then card type we have to select the option serving. Then remaining details we have to fill. These are all the details we have to fill. And finally we have to click on save and proceed. When you click save and proceed, it will take to another page where your details are entered, and then you have to enter the details of your family members. The details which would be required there are name of the dependent, age of the dependent, relation. Okay, so these are the basic details which are recorded, right? Then finally, you have to press the final submit button, and then you have to take out the printout. Up to here is your first step. Then In the second step, you have to fix photograph of yourself and all other family members. You have to mention what is your superannuation date, or some other details are also there. That also you can fill. Then you have to get the form attested by your department head. And the third step is that you have to submit the form to the AD office of CGHS. So these are the three simple steps in which we can apply for CGHS beneficiary card. Okay, step number 1, we have to fill the online form. Step number 2, take the printout, fix the photo, and get it attested by your department head. And last step is to submit this form to AD office of CGHS along with all the documents. What are the documents required? Aadhaar card of all the family members. Second, salary slip. So these are the documents which are required. I hope it was easy to understand. Thank you very much.